Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make these DIY planters using recycled plastic bottles. Here's what you'll need: a plastic bottle, some spray paint, a knife, a pair of scissors, a screwdriver, a marker, some measuring tape, a small piece of paper, some gloves, and of course, some gorgeous ribbons. First, you'll want to measure how tall you want your planter to be, and then mark that all the way through. I'm making it 11 inches, but you can make it shorter if you want to. Once that's done, you'll want to carefully cut along the line. You can also clean up the edges with your scissors if you want to. Now for the scalloped edges, draw a curved line about 2 inches wide, fold that in half, and cut the shape out. Smooth it out, and this is what we're going to use as a guide to mark the shape all around the bottle. Once that's done, you'll want to cut the shape out. To finish up, make the edges nice and round. It should look a little something like this. Now put your gloves on because it's time to paint. If you are spray painting, then make sure you do it in an area where there's a lot of ventilation, so you might want to do it outdoors. And if you don't have spray paint, that's okay, you can use any sort of waterproof paint. Now measure your ribbon to about 32 inches and cut that out. Wrap around your bottle and tie it into a bow. The ribbon that I'm using has wired edges, which makes it easier to give it some shape, like so. You'll find this at any craft store. To finish, take your screwdriver and make some drainage holes at the bottom of your planter. And here's what it looks like when you're all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and also leave some suggestions in the comments below.